I have my boards glued together. This will be the front. This is the black walnut. I've already drawn the shape that I need it to be where I want it on the, with a template. Now, one thing I did do different from the regular Strat template, I made the horns come out a little bit and pointed more, change it up a little bit. And here I have the black cherry for the back, and I have also drawn where I want it to be on there. So what I'll do, I'll take and cut both of them out on the bandsaw, but I'm going to go leave extra around the pencil mark there, so that way I can work with it and then put the template on and route one and get it right the way I want it, and then route the other end, like the back, route it to the front so they're both exactly the same before I glue them together, because I'm going to have to put cavities in for pickups and wiring and potentiometers and stuff like that, controls, switch. So that will have to be figured out after I get it cut out. I'm going to sand it down, get the glue off of it, and then go to work on that as I have time. I'll come back when I'm done cutting and give a show of what I have after that. Be right back. So I went and cut them out to the shape they're going to be. I cut them a little large, like I said, to give them a little extra room for the final, and get the rough edges off and sanding off. So that's what the back's going to look like. Of course, it'll be, this is the inside, this will be the back facing the player, or me, whatever. And this will be the front. Notice I do have the center line drawn on both these, and this will be the inside, but this will be facing the audience. Okay, so I want to get them sanded down a little bit, get that glue off of them, get them all level, all the boards. There's a little bit of difference in these boards, needs to be sanded down. So do that, and then figure out my routing for the cavities for the controls and the switch and all that stuff, and might have to make a template or just kind of draw it and do it by hand. We'll see what happens. So if I get to finish this, I've had so much work, I don't know if I'm going to get to do anything much with this before I go back right now anyway, but if I do, I will update. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.